Alright, hey there everyone. Can you picture yourself living your best life in 2024? Achieving all your wildest dreams and goals? It's time to dive into the concept of embodying the vibration of your desired future and watch the magic happen. So, have you ever found yourself struggling to bring your dreams to life? You're not alone. Many people face challenges when it comes to manifesting their desired future. It's all about aligning yourself with the energy of what you want to attract. Now, let's talk about some powerful techniques that can help you embody the vibration of your desired future. From visualization to gratitude practices and positive affirmations, these tools can truly shift your energy and bring you closer to your dreams. I want to share a personal story with you. I once started embodying the vibration of my dream job, and you wouldn't believe the transformation it brought into my life. It's incredible how aligning yourself with your desired future can create real change and opportunities. To wrap it up, remember to actively align yourself with the energy of your future aspirations. By embodying that vibration daily, you're setting yourself up for success and abundance. It's all about staying in tune with your dreams and taking inspired action towards them. Now, here's your call to action. I encourage you to practice embodying the vibration of your desired future every single day. And hey, don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to manifesting our dreams.